Welcome back to Preform Updates. My name is Hassan and I'm the product manager for Preform. Preform 3.60 is out with exciting new features. Let's get into it. First up, realistic rendering. Preform now shows a preview of what your part will look like when it comes off the printer. The texture, the touch points, and how supports connect to your part. Import your part as usual and toggle on the realistic view by clicking the new button in the top right-hand corner. Preform will then render your part with accurate lighting, shadows, and surface texture, so you can get a sense of the finish before you ever hit print. Combine it with the Support Visibility tool to see where your touch points will land and where you might need to do some post-processing. Realistic rendering is supported on Gravy 5, Rigid 10K, and Nylon 12 at launch, with more materials coming soon. A few things to keep in mind. This is a visual preview, not a precise simulation, so the printed part won't be a pixel-perfect match. Clear materials aren't supported yet, and rendering large or complex scenes may take a moment to render. Next, auto recovery. Preform now saves your work in the background. Every 2 minutes, it takes a snapshot of your scene. If something interrupts your session, a crash, a power cut, anything, you'll see this recovery dialog the next time you open up Preform. Hit recover and your scene is right back where you left off. Auto recovery is on by default for all printers and materials. If you want to adjust it, you'll find the toggle in Preferences. One caveat, you can only recover your work in the next session, so discarded work cannot be recovered again. Also, we're introducing separating bodies. If you're working with a multi-body CAD file, you can now split it into individual parts directly inside Preform. Import your multi-body file as usual, right-click on the model and select Separate Bodies. Preform splits the model into individual bodies. On SLA, these will snap to the build platform so you can start orienting and supporting them individually. On SLS, the bodies stay exactly where you imported them, so your packed build stays intact. Preform groups the split parts together for convenient organization. One more thing. We launched a new SLS printer, the Fuse X1. The Fuse X1 has a build volume of 330 by 330 by 565 millimeters, about 7.5 times the build volume of the Fuse 1 Plus. At the same packing density, you can fit 358 of these parts in a build instead of 45. You can take it for a spin in Preform right now, even without owning the printer. Pick Fuse X1, drop your parts in, and see how they pack. We've also launched the Preform Insider program. Insiders get early access to the newest Preform features several weeks before they're released. That's Preform 3.60. Use the link in the description to download or hit the update button in Preform. Thanks for watching.